Thank you.
Ma? Malupad pa yung taas, ma.
My gosh, paano ba ako magkaroon ng all? Watching my new video. Okay, please watching also my new video, Ship Ijas. Please, I have a new upload. Please watch my new upload also. Paano daw ako nito magkakaat?
Mama! Pagkataas. Sisa?
Nag-upload ka rin, be?
Ha?
Nag-upload?
Wala?
Bakit may
Mama!
video?
Mama! May hindi ka nagaluwas. Bumirang kayo.
Your life full enjoy, very nice. Your life enjoy. So my request, you are all friends, support my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting my channel, guys. 106. Oh, wala ka na yung ano. My best repeat Chinese Thai food related my video. Show your friend enjoy my video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wala pa kasi na-notify sa iyo, no? Ang ano ko yung mag-notify sa iyo, be. Para wala pa yung aswang part 2. Welcome, Mr. Chef Ejas.
Mama, magic. Oh. Mabalik yan.
Hmm? Wakisha, you my channel. Thank you. Wakisha, you my channel. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wala nang gabutuwa din ni Bebe, oh. Sa notification. Ayun.
Yan na.
After pala ng ano. Ayan ko. Dapat pala after mga ano ko.
Lang.
After ng live. Welcome you all friend my house. So return your house. I am good. Thank you. Please leave comment to my new upload. Yeah, I have a new upload. You can leave the comment to my new upload and I'll be returned to you, Mr. Chef. Mr. Chef, I have an offer for you. If you one of my channel member, I give you more views or subscriber or bananas. Okay, that's my offer of my channel perks. If you are a channel member, I give more bananas or maybe I give you views. Depend on you. Okay? Thank you, Chef Ijas. Maraming salamat. Where are you from, Mr. Ijas? What is your country, Mr. Ijas? You from Thai? You are a Thailander? I will be support you. You can leave the comment to my new upload and I'll be return to you. Okay? I'll be return. Watching my new upload. Please watching also my new upload and you can leave the comment to my new upload, Mr. Chef. Okay? Please leave the comment to my new upload, Mr. Chef. Okay? Understand me? Kahit hindi maliwanag, maganda sa akin, Baby Lugay book, no? Parang bagay. Yung straight siya na ganon. Yeah, straight na ganon. Ayan, magpaganda ang aswang. Ay, nako. That's the aswang, you know that. Okay, my friend. All right. Okay, you can leave the comment, my friend.